Have you heard the news? Schwab, one of the biggest tire and auto repair chains in the country, is shutting down every single one of its 145 stores in Colorado. That's not just a few locations, that's a complete exit from the entire state, all set to wrap up by the... So what's driving this massive move? Well, the company's CEO, Mike Broberg, recently broke his silence. He pointed to the high cost of doing business in Colorado and said Schwab just couldn't get big enough in the state to make it work long-term. In other words, the numbers just didn't add up. Now, if you've been following the news, you've probably heard a lot about tariffs making things more expensive, especially in industries like tires. And yeah, Broberg did say tariffs have pushed up prices for everyone, including consumers like you and me. But, and this is key, the main reason for pulling out of Colorado wasn't tariffs alone. It was really about local market conditions. Schwab isn't going away completely, though. Their headquarters is up in Bend, Oregon, and even after Colorado, they'll still have more than 500 stores open across the western U.S. So if you're outside Colorado, you might not even notice a difference. But for those affected in Colorado, Schwab says they're offering severance packages and helping folks find new jobs. It's never easy when a company pulls out of your town, but at least there's some support on the table. So, are tariffs to blame? Not entirely. Sometimes it's just about whether the business makes sense in a certain place at a certain time. Let me know what you think about this big move, and whether you see more of these closures coming in other industries. Thanks for watching.